Road trips means a lot of time behind the wheel. Fortunately, there are plenty of options to upgrade your ride and enhance your experience on the road by making it safer, smoother, and much more enjoyable. Let us start with our today's list of gadgets which you must have in your car if you spend few hours of your daily life in your car. Some of these might get to save your life one day. Navdy, heads-up display and GPS navigation. Our phones and our cars are integral to our everyday life, but the two were never built to work together until now. The Navdy head-up display was created so that these two constants could interact in ways that make sense and make us happy. Now you can stay connected to your network, your car and the road ahead all at once, projecting the GPS onto a transparent screen in front of you, supported by both Android and iOS devices. It can also be used to receive calls, read text, and control music. Portable car vacuum cleaner. Keeping things spick and span on a road trip is no easy job, but a portable vacuum like this works can do wonders for the cleanliness of your vehicle. Lightweight, compact, and easy to use. This handheld device plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet and can pick up both wet and dry debris. Designed especially for the interior of your automobile, it comes with an extension tube for hard-to-reach corners as well as a brush head for carpets. Escort IX long-range radar detector. With its intelligent features and outstanding long-range detection ability, Escort IX is a trustworthy companion for travelers who are often on the road. The device is one of the most technologically advanced radar detectors on the market, and if you have a lead foot, your best bet for avoiding annoying speed tickets on the highway. Appman Mini Dashcam. Feeling safe at all times is essential to your experience on the road, which is why a dashcam is one of the best car gadgets you can buy. In addition to capturing fun videos of you and your friends on a road trip, they can be decisive in the event of an accident, being capable to provide evidence to law enforcement and insurance companies. Appman Mini Dashcam is one of the top of the line currently available in the market. It has 1080p recorder with night vision and captures great at 170-degree wide angle. It has motion detection, parking monitoring, G sensor so it backs up the recording in case of emergency automatically, and has got loop recording as well. VacLife air compressor tire inflator. Air compressor for car tires. Say hello to the most popular tire inflator in the world. Equipped with an easy-to-read OLED display, intuitive buttons, the VacLife air compressor is one of the best car accessories you can get your hands on. The auto tire air compressor can inflate your standard car tires in seconds. Plug it into the 12-volt power outlet in your car and attach the stem to the tire valve. One simple press on the car air compressor and it will do all the work for you. A great solution for emergency on the way. VacLife tire pump is equipped with 3 additional nozzles besides the original one, a wider applying range to cover various needs for inflatables such as vehicle tires and sports entertainment equipment including compact or mid-size sedan, SUV, ATV, bike, motorcycles, air mattresses, inflatable boards and balls. Sunglasses visor clip. If your car doesn't come equipped with a built-in sun visor sunglasses holder, it may be worth the cost to add one yourself. Wrapped in leather and equipped with a built-in sponge, the Dualshine car visor sunglasses holder does an excellent job in keeping your sunglasses or eyeglasses scratch-free, within reach and safely stored on the road. If you feel like this video helped you in any way, don't forget to leave us a like and watch to our latest videos. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video.